Hello and welcome to Crispberry Reviews. Today I'm going to do a comparison review between JBL Go Portable Bluetooth speaker and Zakk Party speaker. I will also be doing a sound test on both the speakers, so please hit the subscribe button so it encourages me to do more videos like this. Now we will go into the differences of both the speakers. JBL Go. On full charge, JBL Go gives about 4 to 5 hours playtime, whereas Zakk promises to give 6 to 7 hours of playtime. Both have inbuilt mic. The audio wattage on JBL is 3 watts, whereas Zakk has 2 speakers of 5 watts. Zakk has built-in FM, whereas JBL doesn't have built-in FM. Zakk has a USB support. You can plug and play USB on Zakk. It also supports micro SD card. JBL does not support micro SD card, or it doesn't have any kind of USB support. The battery is 600 mAh on JBL Go, whereas on Zakk it is 2000 mAh battery. So now let's move on to the sound test. So let's start with Zakk. That's on 50% volume. Now on JBL. As you can see, the sound is really loud on Zakk. It's louder than JBL, but the quality of the music is much better than Zakk on JBL. So I hope you like the video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.